Welcome to the installation of Yakima SkyLine Towers with steel round bars. The SkyLine Towers are designed to work with all of Yakima's landing pad models. In this video we use the landing pad 11, but the same installation steps can be applied to all landing pads. To begin installation, you will attach the landing pads to the roof of your vehicle. Based on which landing pads you have, find your fixed point, flush rail mounting points, or tracks on your roof and refer to the instructions given with the landing pad. Landing pad 11 fits a wide variety of vehicles. You will want to refer to the fit chart and the instructions to see which bolts and washers are needed. Start by attaching the rubber gasket around the bottom of the landing pad and placing your bolt and washer through the hole in the middle. Now, line up the bolt with the mounting point on your roof and screw the landing pad into place. Make sure the landing pad is running fairly parallel to the roof line as well. And be sure not to over-tighten the bolt. Doing so will prevent the SkyLine Tower from mounting later on. All landing pads come with covers as well when you have your SkyLine Towers removed from your car. This will help prevent wind noise, dirt, and grime buildup. With the landing pads attached, we can now move on to the towers. Take your SL RoundBar adapter seat and snap it into place on the top of the tower. Now open the cover by pinching the sides and pulling away from the tower. There's a bolt inside you will need to loosen to release the cover from the bolt underneath the tower. Now attach the mounting bracket to the SkyLine. Line up the bracket onto the bolt and tighten it from underneath completely until the provided wrench clicks multiple times. The bolt should thread easily until the end. If there's resistance at first, you may be cross-threading it. When fully tightened, the bolt will come up almost flush to the bottom of the bracket. Next, slide the tower onto the bar. If there is a lot of resistance when doing this, try loosening the bolt inside the cover to get more slack in the metal bracket. You can now start to attach the towers to the landing pads. Place one end into the landing pad and adjust the other tower to fit to the corresponding landing pad. You will want to measure the outer portion of the bar on each side to make sure they are even as well. With the towers in place, put downward pressure on top and completely tighten the inner bolt until your wrench clicks over multiple times, and close the cover to attach the tower to the landing pad. Shake the towers to make sure they are in place. Insert your end caps into the end of the bar. Sometimes a mallet helps to fully install them. If you purchase locks with the rack, install them by removing the plastic in the middle of the tower. Place the install key into your lock cylinder, line up the dimple on the end of the cylinder with the inside of the housing, insert the core and remove the install key. Then lock the core by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima SkyLine Tower with round bars. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.